In today's fast-paced world of manufacturing, the use of polyethylene, polypropylene, and other composites is on the rise. The challenge? These low-surface energy materials are notoriously difficult to bond. But what if there was a solution? Introducing SG400, the revolutionary adhesive that's changing the game. SG400 is specially designed to tackle the difficulties of bonding low-surface energy materials. Watch as it effortlessly bonds these substrates, eliminating the need for costly and time-consuming surface preparations with little to no exotherm. Instead of having to use spin welding or plasma treatments, SG400 adhesive can simplify the application and avoid additional skilled labor positions. Watch as we subject these substrates to extreme pressure. The pressure is increasing, but the bond remains rock solid. In fact, the substrates themselves break before the SG400 bond does. Say goodbye to assembly challenges and hello to efficiency, quality, and cost-effectiveness. SG400 is here to revolutionize modern assembly. Contact us today to learn more.